Hey, it's Neha. Welcome back to my kitchen. I know it's been a minute, but today I am back and I'm making tiramisu. You have to make the tiramisu a day before just so that everything just marinates really well in that dish. So let's get started. Let's make the coffee. I have 3 tablespoons of coffee and 2 cups of water. Let that heat up. You can get really creative with your coffee. Today I'm using decaf only because the kids are going to be there. I don't want them to stay up all night. So you can have the strongest coffee that you like or the lightest coffee. It's definitely your choice. I am using instant coffee, but again, you can use Keurig coffee, you can use your Nespresso if you like. The imagination is yours. Once your coffee is done, set it aside and we'll move on to the next step. Now for the cream, we'll start out with 6 egg yolks. Now with the water heating up in your pan, turn it down to low. Bring your egg yolks and your sugar and mix it. In this bowl, I have 475 grams of mascarpone cheese and 3 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Now just take your egg yolk mix, put it in with your mascarpone cheese. It's a little heavy for me, but I got this. Now I have some heavy cream. Just mix that up in a bowl. I beat the heavy cream for about 3 minutes. And in this bowl is the mascarpone cheese, the egg yolks, the sugar, the vanilla extract. Now we just have to fold this in carefully together. You don't want to deflate all of that goodness. And gently fold this in. Once your coffee has cooled down, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Now comes the fun part. So I have my little station here, my lady fingers, my coffee, and the dish that I will be serving this tiramisu with. You want to take one of your lady fingers and you want to quickly dip it. Only because it soaks up really quickly and you don't want your tiramisu to be soggy. So one side and the next. And then place it on your dish. So notice that there is a little bit of gap in between. That's just so that the cream actually goes in between. And you want to take half of this batter and just put in the first layer. And you want to make it as flat as possible. And now all this layering does not have to be perfect. It's just going to take in its place when we set it overnight. After leaving it overnight in the fridge, now this is the big reveal. As you can see, we're just gonna put in some cocoa powder on here. And you want to cover all of this with the cocoa powder. This is my recipe of the tiramisu. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below if you've tried this. Thank you so much for watching.